Morning guys, and welcome back to My Meals Monday. It has been an insanely, massively, crazy busy morning in the Snyder household here. I just ran out, I was running some errands, so I stopped and got a Starbucks. This is what I'm having for my breakfast. It is the double smoked bacon sandwich and a venti espresso frappuccino, no whipped cream or anything, and that's my breakfast. You know, I've been super MIA on my channel. I have had an insanely busy work month in the month of June. It's still super, super busy, but I think I'm finding a bit more of a balance. Our like home business kicks up more in the summer than it does in the winter, and I just felt like overwhelmed by it because it kicked up really fast all at once. So, anywho's, yes, sorry about being MIA, but I'm back. I'm gonna try to do this. By the way, how freaking cute are these glasses? I love them. They're from K. I don't know, is it K or Quay? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then get to work cleaning. Today is gonna be a cleaning day for me because, like I said, I've been overwhelmed by a lot of work stuff and my house is atrocious. I have a fly strip there because we've had the windows open, which brings a lot more flies in with how hot it is, and it's driving me crazy. Although I think today we're gonna have to put the air on because it's just so freaking hot. It's ridiculous. I mean, look at how like puffed up frizzy my hair is from the humidity. So anyways, yeah, gonna eat.
Ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else.
It is, what time is it? 2:40. I'm having my snack. I've been doing tons of cleaning in the living room. Haven't moved on to the kitchen yet. But I'm just having a peach. I'm gonna chop it up. This is white peaches. I don't know why, but I'm not really a fan of yellow peaches, but white peaches are my jam. So I'm just gonna cut this up and have this as a little snack because I'm kind of peckish, but not like hungry enough to have a meal because I had a big coffee. You guys saw it. So yeah, I'm just gonna have this.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
It is dinner time and I'm just watching Boardwalk Empire. I've got a crepe here. It's a breakfast crepe because I thought it sounded really good, and I've got some orange juice and a little bit of ketchup. This has some spinach, egg, tomato, and cheese in it. Let's see if you can see. Oh, and I think there's mushrooms in here as well. Oh, I can't get it open. Well, you can see mostly the cheese. Alright. That just got loud. Let me mute that. I'm watching this TV show called Eureka. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I think it's on Netflix, but it's actually really interesting. It's about like this town in Northern California, which I guess would be Eureka, California. And they like do these weird science, like government science experiments, and they always go awry, and the sheriff's always trying to solve the problem. It's good family fun. Anyways, that is it for today's My Meal Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me a little bit. And it's 10:30. I'm gonna try to get up at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow to take the dogs out before it gets too hot, because it's been like hot and humid by like 9:30. So I'm hoping if I get up at 5:30, get out the door by 6, we'll get a nice long walk before it's time for us to come in and get ready for the day. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.